Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. So, man, we up here today, you know what I'm saying? We trying to get the charger looked at, see what's going on with the transmission, man. We gotta see what's the next step. Am I gonna just let it die and wither off? Or we gonna figure out what's going on with this thing, man, and get it fixed, you know what I'm saying? So, dropping it off right now, man. Dropping the whip off right now. We gotta go see what's wrong with this thing and see if we can get it fixed. You know what I'm saying? If not, for a reasonable price, we can't get it fixed, then, man, we just gonna get a new whip, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna at least see what they say, see what they talking about up here first.
Hey man, am I on camera?
Yes, sir.
Yo, I want to holler at all my people in Detroit. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers.
Yes, sir.
Peace be upon all y'all. Black, white, blue, Arab, Muslim. Peace.
Yes,
Come to Cal's Auto, man. We fix your shit right the first time.
Yes, sir. Y'all heard that, man. Bring your shit up here. We about to see what's going on with my car. We can get that
we're
fixed.
gonna take care of it, man. Whatever it is, VIP.
Okay. Y'all heard that on camera. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Missing in second, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let me get your name, address, and phone number right here, and sign the bottom, please.
I think it's still under warranty with Superior.
You got Superior?
Yeah.
We'll take care of it. No problem. Perfect.
You said you'll let me know something about tomorrow?
Maybe today.
Maybe today.
It's 3 o'clock. We'll see what's going on, and then we'll see if we can start. We can't start the claim anymore today. It'll probably be tomorrow. Depending what it needs, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Great day.
Key and you're all set. You got it right now?
Key. I got an Uber coming.
Okay. Thank you. I'll give you a call. I'll let you know what's up.
Okay.
I got you, brother. Have a good one, man.
All right, you too. So there it is, man. We dropped the charger off. Gotta get it, see what's going on. Once they let me know what's going on with it, I'll bring it back out here to y'all, man. Let y'all know an update. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all an update. But we at the shop at Kyle's Auto Repair. Y'all see that shit right there. And you know what I'm saying? If they get me together and they get me right, man, the first time like this shit, hey, y'all gonna support. But I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on with it. Check my phone real quick. See where my Uber at. See where my Uber at. We got an Uber coming. Nine minutes. Oh, my goddamn phone don't die. Calvin with a black Malibu. Calvin with the black Malibu. Yes, sir. Y'all see right there. Dropped it off. And we're gonna see if, you know what I'm saying, if it's something simple or if it's something major, and then we gonna go from there, and I'll bring y'all another video with another update. But man, it's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Make sure I grabbed everything up out of there. We got the Uber on there. You see it. Uber is 8 minutes away. It's just one more shot of this motherfucker right here. So I got everything I need about that motherfucker. Got everything. Yep, got all my shit. Gotta make sure I get all my shit up out of here. But yeah, man. Right there, let's see. Get it fixed. Any minute, any second, Uber should be pulling up. They say they might let me know something by the end of today, what's going on with the charger. So hopefully, if they do, the quicker the better, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully they do let me know something today, then we can go to the next step, see what we gonna do next, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. Step But we got the Uber pulling up in 2 minutes. 2 minutes the Uber's supposed to be pulling up, so we about to get back to the crib, grab the Impala, and get back on the grind. Y'all know the grind don't stop. 24/7. Yes, sir. Here we go. Here we go. Uber pulling up right now, man. We about to get up out of here. Where the sun at? Where the sun at? Yeah, man. The Uber pulling up right now. We about to leave up out of here right now. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully they know. Let me know something today. If not, by the earliest tomorrow, we're gonna find out what's going on. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? Calvin, how you doing? But yeah, that's what's going on, man. We just dropped the charger off at the shop. About to get it looked at. Hopefully they let me know something by the end of the day today. If not, by the earliest tomorrow, and then we're gonna go from there. Hopefully it ain't too bad though. Something simple. Get that fixed, knocked out the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the Uber right now. I'm about to go back to the crib, grab the other whip. Cause the grind don't stop, man. I gotta bring this footage to y'all. You know what I'm saying? But ain't shit going on right now. I'm about to turn this camera off, and I will turn it back on when we get back to the crib, man.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Ashley, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me. You went through the bitch phone, you just had to see. That shit sad to me. Giving a drip away, I'm thinking of starting a charity. My mind rich, a nigga, I'm wealthy, I'm building a legacy. You a bitch, your man a simp, so don't compare me, please. You don't compare to me, you don't work hard as me. And when it comes to this rap game, you don't go hard as me. I'm LBJ up in the paint, I'm number 23. They say I can't, I said I can, I nigga watch and see. And every time these niggas doubt, that just more fuel for me. I run the shit up like a flight of stairs. Got it out the mud without no helping hand. You ain't take a chance, you are not a man. Used to be broke, now a young nigga having them bands. Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.